Hey, now we are gonna go do some shopping here at the supermarket, Tesco. Let's get in, let's show everything that I've gotten. I was gonna make this a live video, but I'm just having some technical difficulties with the live. So unfortunately, it's not going live. It will come after the trip, but let's get going. There's that. Here I got some hobnobs. Bursting with oats. All right, there's that. Some whole milk, 3.17% fat, and the weirdest container I've ever seen. 4 pints, not even a gallon. This is the biggest that they had. I'll try to throw in the clip right here.
Got some milk.
Saw these as I was walking down the chip aisle. Only not Frazzles. Just some crispy bacon, I guess. I have no clue if that's gonna be good, gross, but hey, we'll try it out and see how it is. Oh, now to our my favorite part at least. I don't know if it's Carissa's favorite part, the alcohol. Wanted to try to get something I haven't really seen around in the States before, so I got this 3 barrels. I mean, it probably could be in the States, but I just didn't want to get no Jack Daniels. Should be good. I'll let you guys know how that is. Then we got this Malibu Pineapple, little cocktail flavoring in a little can. Should be real good. Got another Malibu, but that's pina colada. Probably just gonna like chug these later. And then last but not least, the Hawaiian Daiquiri. Your boy loves Hawaii, so like I just couldn't pass up the Hawaiian Daiquiri. I will definitely be taste testing those. Ho 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 ho, boy. Some Mackies ice cream. This shit should be real good. Let's open it up right here. First time ever. Let's see if I can. Let's check it out together. You guys get the first look. Woo! Nice and creamy. Look at that. Ooh boy. I'll have Carissa go put this straight into the freezer right now so it don't get melting on us as we unbox the rest. Or I should say unbag the rest. Yeah, I'm gonna bring out all these at once so we can just go through the line. Alright, we got little cup noodles, but they call these pot noodles. King pot noodles. Here, this flavor is sticky rib. This one is Bombay Bad Boy. Carissa got a chicken and mushroom. And then another sticky rib in the smaller one. My size, Carissa's size, you know, now you know. They literally didn't have any Coke. It was only literally Coke Zero or Diet Coke. How am I supposed to do a little mixed up drink? Well, let's hope that this Tesco brand Classic Cola matches the Coke, because I'll be really disappointed. Picked up some randoms. They're all different shapes and sizes. There's a monkey, there's a saxophone, bicycle, a foot, some normal fruit shapes. So that's real randoms. We have these pretzels on the plane ride over here. They were actually really good, nice and soft. So I mean, if you guys ever do find these in the stores around you, pick it up and then let us know what store it's at. And then Carissa just got a classic Snickers. And that's down for this bag. off to the next one.
Yeah.
Got this stellar looking pizza. Just stare at that for a second. That was probably long enough. I hope you guys did enjoy that look. Got this garlic and parsley ciabatta bread. Garlic bread. Ooh. So I was looking at it from the side because I was just couldn't get my eyes off of it, but that's looking good. But that literally is everything we went and got at the store today. Now we are on our way to go get some nice dinner at this nicer place. I was really feeling some steak. So Carissa found a place that serves some steak. So hopefully it is gonna be real good. It's a little like 15-minute walk. It's only 30 degrees out right now. So we are bundled up, but should be real cool. Here we are at a Prime Steak and Seafood. It's in a little bit of a fancier restaurant. Not too far of a walk though, that was nice. And they do have some great options, some vegan options. It was really nice to see. Unfortunately, I am not vegan, so I'm gonna get a nice big old steak. Here's our tomahawk steak. Holy shit. Some mushrooms, some mash, random greens. Ooh. Well guys, I did it. I ate everything besides of course the fats. But I did it. I'm feeling pretty full. Carissa helped maybe a little bit. Yeah. Well, we just got done at the food Prime food. I don't know what they call it, but it was just called like Prime, I think. It was really good. Got a nice big old steak. Then I was getting a couple drinks afterwards. They gave me a complimentary whiskey. That was really good, really smoky tasting. Warmed my stomach right up. So this 32-degree weather that I'm walking back home in doesn't even feel bad. But that should do it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for staying tuned all the way to the end. Don't forget that we do post live updates on S&CP Travels. So if you guys do want to see what we're doing live and the day of, be sure to check us out here at S&CP Travels. I'll put it here on the screen so you know we are on Facebook and Instagram. Then I will throw it down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.